Good morning and welcome to Corner Bagelry of Belmar. My family is excited to be part of the 12th annual Belmar Dine and Discover Tour on March 8th. Today we're going to be getting inside there and seeing what we've got going on for the tour. Come check it out.
Best bagels ever. Best staff. Amazing.
Welcome inside, guys. We've got a lot of good stuff going on. Homemade bagels, muffins, crumb cakes, cookies, giant sandwiches, pork roll, egg and cheese, the list goes on. We're excited to introduce you to the team. Let's get it going. Come on.
Hi, I'm Bobby and I'm the chef and manager here at the Corner Bagelry. If you ever have a chance to come down and join us for breakfast or lunch, you come down and see how we make everything homemade and fresh from scratch.
Thanks for coming in, guys, and joining us today. We look forward to seeing you at this year's Dine and Discover Tour, and you can meet these goofballs.
Come down and try something homemade and fresh.
And we hope to see you soon. Get in here.
George, we're ready, man.
Yeah, George!
George!
We look forward to seeing you at the Dine and Discover Tour. We gotta do it again. This is ridiculous.